Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the final handbag in the handbag series. Look at how super cute this one is. It is gorgeous. I just love it. And I say this all the time, but now I don't know which one is my favorite. So they've got these fabulous handles. And remember, guys, I show you how to make these handles in the tutorial. These are basic things. You can get metal rings. These are brads, mini buckles, but you don't have to have buckles. You can use D-rings if you want. These are brads. Everything else is made out of chipboard and, excuse me, and Tyvek. All right, and I sell this black Tyvek in my shop. So it's just really, really gorgeous and I love it. And I hope you all love it as well. There's the bottom looking all fabulous. So this one opens up just like all of the other ones. All right, this one is a magnetized closure. So this one opens up to reveal where you house your mini album. And I size these all to fit my picture perfect mini albums. And this is one of them. These come in both a portrait and let me show you a landscape orientation. So I'm going to decorate this one with the matching paper in the landscape version. All right, so when you buy Picture Perfect, you get portrait and landscape in the same page styles, but you can make either or. All right, but I picked this one up just so you can see what it looks like in there. So there's your mini album and it closes up just so beautiful, guys. Really beautiful. These handles are on there to stay, so they're not going to come off when you pick it up to once you have your mini album in there because you know it's going to be super heavy. Paper is heavy, but it's just gorgeous. I hope you all love it. All right, so I had three handbags in this series, and this is the final one. This one I'm calling Sophia. It's really, really gorgeous, and I hope that you all love it as well. All right. Oh, by the way, the paper collection, because I know you guys are going to ask me, and let me grab it. Hold on. Oh, hang on one second. Whoopsie. Everything's going to come tumbling down here. All right, here it is. It's this paper collection right here by MAMBI, and it says hello here, but I think it's Pretty Life or something like that. Let me see if I can see it on the back. I don't know why they title it hello here and then it's called something else like Life is Pretty or Pretty Life or something like that. And once I figure it out, I'll write it down in the description box below. But if you look for hello, you're not going to find it. All right. If you type in Pretty Life or whatever it is, you will find it. But I promise I'll put it down in the description box. But again, let's check out the bag. Again, with the mini album, of course, gorgeous. And there's the inside, beautifully finished. And again, guys, this style of crafting is most certainly my style of crafting, finishing things off for you beautifully and just giving you a beautifully constructed project that you can show off for years to come. All right, this is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I hope you all love it. So there's the last handbag, the Sophia handbag in my handbag series. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.